Is your loved one drifting away from you? You can fix your mistakes by knowing the reasons why. Make sure to watch the video until the end. To keep our loved ones from drifting away, we need to take certain crucial steps. In this process, it is important to control our emotions, be patient, show empathy, value the other person, and strengthen communication. Let's delve deeper into these steps under the guidance of Stoic philosophy. The first step to prevent your loved one from drifting away is to control your emotions. During challenging times in your relationship, staying rational and calm is of great importance. Emotions like anger, disappointment, and sadness may naturally arise, but succumbing to these emotions can make the situation worse. Remember, we do not have control over external factors, but we can control our reactions to these factors. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and journaling can calm your mind, help you think more clearly, and allow you to view situations from a more objective perspective. Patience is one of the most critical elements in preventing your loved one from drifting away. While controlling your emotions is important, being patient and not acting hastily plays a significant role in rebuilding your relationship. Healing emotional wounds and regaining trust takes time. Throughout this process, you must be patient and respect the feelings of the other person. Your relationship may take time to improve, and there can be ups and downs along the way. Being patient helps you manage your emotional reactions and understand the other person's feelings better. Empathy plays a crucial role in preventing your loved one from drifting away. Understanding the other person's feelings, thoughts, and perspective is one of the most effective ways to rebuild the bond between you. Empathy is not only about understanding the other person's emotions, but also about showing that you care and respect these emotions. This is a fundamental step in building trust and closeness. Being empathetic also means responding to the emotional needs of the other person. Understanding their needs and making an effort to meet them will strengthen your bond. Making your loved one feel valued is one of the ways to rebuild your relationship. This should be demonstrated not only through words but also through actions. It is important to make time for them and show interest in them. Even amid the busyness of daily life, making time for them and spending quality time together shows that they are important to you. Small gestures and surprises can also help in making them feel valued. Valuing someone also involves understanding and respecting their emotional needs. Effective and open communication is of great importance. Communication helps you express your emotions, thoughts, and expectations while also understanding the other person. In this process, you should express your feelings clearly and take care to listen to the feelings of the other person. Sharing your emotions and thoughts honestly is a way to re-establish trust in your relationship. Open and sincere conversation increases the other person's trust in you. Being a good listener and practicing active listening to understand the other person is essential. To rekindle your relationship, it is important to embark on a journey of personal change and growth. Demonstrating positive changes gives the other person a reason to reevaluate your relationship. It is necessary to learn from past mistakes and strive for continuous improvement. Developing new habits and constantly improving yourself can enhance your overall quality of life and boost your self-confidence. Being responsive to the needs and expectations of the other person enhances trust and connection between you. Remember, the most important thing to keep your loved one from drifting away is to improve yourself and show that you value the other person. By following these steps, you can rejuvenate your relationship and build it on a stronger foundation. Be patient with yourself and acknowledge that this process may take time. Continue to implement these steps to strengthen your relationship and believe that everything will improve. If you also want to draw inspiration from such stories and add wisdom to your life, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't miss our new videos.